Greetings everybody, Sive here with the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Let's keep up with the analysis of the euro currency. Speaking in two words, guys, I'm totally satisfied with the picture that I see here. I do not see any reasons to change our plan. Everything goes as we suggested. Now we actually is coming to the point where we could actually make a decision on position taking if you would like to. So euro currency holds the bullish trend on the daily. Retracement stands very slow, which is really great. And in general, the overall bullish background, short-term bullish background exists, so it still remains intact. On the full time frame chart, you could see that yes, it was slightly lower action. We have a long talk about the different XOP targets yesterday, and you can see this market has completed it. So that's the reason why I always consider two different targets depending on what I would like to do. If I would like to close, I use nearer standing target. If I consider where the place to stop, I use more extended target just to not be occasionally washed out on the market. So in the recent few hours, you can see that market has formed bullish reversal candle, and is currently creeping higher. Yes, trend line has not been totally tested, but still, if we draw the line a bit more accurate, it's probably we will get it right. So if we aim on these previous tops, it was very perfect, actually has completed, so market actually retested this support. So shoulder stands in place, very accurate, it's equals to the left arm, so no problems at all, so everything looks really nice. On lower time frame, on hourly chart, this is the XOP that we talked about. It's been completed. Minor divergence here is appearing. So currently, those of you who have not considered taking positions yesterday, so yesterday we said that if you would like to, you of course could try to take position on the right on the bottom if you're an active trader. So it's also possible to do, but we usually follow the more conservative approach just to minimize risk and actually to confirm the possible reversal that we would like to. And currently you can see that obviously we could keep an eye on this pioneer hand shoulders pattern that is forming, while once it will be in place, so you could consider taking position right on the shoulder to the right as compares to this one, somewhere around 116, 115, 90, 1585 maybe. So that's the pattern that we could keep an eye on. If everything goes well, then probably we should get starting on some more extended action here. If hand shorts will fail, correspondingly, it will increase chances on the failure of this pattern as well, especially if market will return back down inside of the range. That will be bearish. Probably if this will happen, it will happen with some fast downside drop, something like this. This may be a really significant breakout here. In this case, of course, we will not consider any new longs, and it might be put under question these lows. So as you know, hand shoulders, when it's failing, it tends to drop below the head, which is actually 1460 approximately. So that's these are the bets that we have currently on the table. Minor hand shoulders, that's actually the key to the big head and shoulders. If it starts working, market completing the right arm, everything great, so we will have the great position. If it starts failing, this hand shoulders also will be under question. That and towards what we have, our situation, as you can see, really interesting. Using of this pattern, it's just let us to minimize the risk, so it will be very small risk while we will be participating in an actually big pattern. So I think that it's a game worth of our attention, so let's see, and we'll discuss the situation, update the situation tomorrow as well.